Okay. Finally, it is here. My device. And with it, the ability to earn cryptocurrency. This is the miner. This is how small it is. It's pretty compact. So as you can see, it's pretty light. I guess a pin for some reason. I don't know why I need that, but okay. Other little materials in it. And this is the stock antenna that it came with. I think this is probably the power supply. Yeah, that's it. So, like I said, folks, this is going to allow me to earn cryptocurrency on my own passively. How much, in terms of money, well, that remains to be seen. But I'll update you guys as time goes by. Thanks.